Hi everyone, and welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your overall health, keeping those kidneys squeaky clean. You know I'm big on giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, and our kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our system, filtering waste and keeping things running smoothly. We're going to explore the power of nature's candy fruit. Yes, certain fruits can actually help cleanse your kidneys and even give you a little boost in the weight loss department. We'll be talking about 5 incredible fruits, all backed by science and packed with flavor. Stay tuned. First up, we have the mighty cranberry. These little berries are like the bouncers of your urinary tract, keeping those unwanted troublemakers out. You see, cranberries are packed with these powerful compounds called proanthocyanidins. Now, don't let that word scare you. It's simpler than it sounds. These proanthocyanidins are like little superheroes that prevent bacteria, especially that pesky E. coli, from sticking around in your urinary tract. And a healthy urinary tract equals happy kidneys. One of the simplest ways to enjoy the benefits of cranberries is by incorporating unsweetened cranberry juice into your diet. Remember, we want 100% pure cranberry juice without any added sugars. You can also get creative in the kitchen. Toss fresh cranberries into your salads for a tangy kick, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Next on our list are blueberries. Those tiny packages of vibrant flavor and incredible health benefits. We're talking about antioxidants here, folks. Those powerful compounds that fight off damage in the body. Blueberries are chock full of antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which work tirelessly to combat inflammation and oxidative stress. Now, why is this important for your kidneys? Well, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are like arch enemies of healthy kidneys. They can lead to damage and impair their function. So by incorporating blueberries into your diet, you're essentially providing your kidneys with a protective shield against these harmful processes. Remember, we want to keep those kidneys happy and healthy. Let's move on to a superstar in the citrus world, lemons. These zesty fruits are bursting with citric acid, a natural compound that works wonders for your kidneys. Citric acid increases citrate levels in your urine, and here's why that's important. Citrate acts like a bodyguard for your kidneys, preventing those pesky kidney stones from forming. It does this by stopping calcium from binding with other compounds that can lead to stone formation. Plus, let's not forget about the vitamin C in lemons. This powerful antioxidant provides an extra layer of protection for your kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, but did you know it can also support healthy kidneys? Apples are packed with soluble fiber, especially a type called pectin. Pectin is like a cleansing agent for your body, helping to lower cholesterol levels and improve overall kidney function. High cholesterol can be tough on your kidneys, so incorporating apples into your diet can give your kidneys a helping hand. But that's not all. Apples also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, further supporting their health. Last, but certainly not least, we have the king of summer fruits, watermelon. This juicy treat is a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out toxins from your kidneys by increasing urine production. And with a whopping 92% water content, watermelon is like a tall glass of water for your body, keeping you hydrated and supporting optimal kidney function. But there's more. Watermelon is a good source of lycopene and beta-carotene, powerful antioxidants that act like shields, protecting your precious kidney cells from damage. So there you have it, 5 incredible fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys and even give you a boost in the weight loss department. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your diet can make a world of difference for your kidney health. Each of these fruits offers unique benefits backed by scientific research, making them excellent choices for a natural kidney cleanse. By enjoying these fruits in various delicious ways, you can enhance your overall well-being and maintain healthy, functioning kidneys. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more health tips, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy.